Is your porch ready for summer? Whether you want to create a cozy retreat, a tropical paradise, or a vibrant and welcoming entryway, the right decor can completely transform your outdoor space. In this video, I'll share 10 must-try summer porch decoration ideas that will make your home feel warm, stylish, and inviting. Stick around because I'll also reveal one simple yet powerful trick that instantly makes any porch feel more spacious and summer ready.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I create a cozy summer porch seating area? One of the best ways to enjoy summer evenings is by creating a cozy and stylish seating area on your porch. A great way to start is adding a comfortable outdoor sofa or a set of rocking chairs with bright, weather-resistant cushions. Another idea is using an outdoor rug to define the space and make it feel like an extension of your home. If you love lounging, a hanging swing or hammock chair can add a fun and relaxing touch. Loving these ideas? Like and share this video to spread the summer vibes. What are the best plants and flowers for a summer porch? Bringing greenery to your porch is one of the easiest ways to add life and freshness to your outdoor space. A great option is hanging flower baskets filled with vibrant blooms like petunias, geraniums, or ferns. If you prefer low-maintenance plants, potted succulents, lavender, or rosemary are great choices that add both beauty and a refreshing scent. For a lush tropical vibe, consider adding palm trees or hibiscus plants in large planters. What's your favorite plant for summer decor? Drop a comment below and let us know. How can I use lighting to make my porch feel more inviting? Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood on your summer porch. One of the best ways to create a cozy ambiance is stringing up fairy lights or Edison bulb string lights for a soft, magical glow. Another great option is placing lanterns or solar-powered candles on tables or steps to add a warm and inviting touch. If you have a covered porch, installing a statement outdoor chandelier or pendant light can give your space an elegant, resort-like feel. Want to see my favorite summer lighting pics? Check the description for all the details. What are some affordable DIY porch decor ideas? If you love budget-friendly decor, DIY projects are a great way to personalize your summer porch. A fun and easy idea is creating a DIY wooden welcome sign with hand-painted summer colors and phrases. Another great project is upcycling old mason jars into lanterns by filling them with fairy lights or sand and candles. If you love gardening, a vertical pallet planter can be a stylish and space-saving way to add more greenery to your porch. Love DIY projects? Check the description for more creative and budget-friendly summer decor ideas. How can I make my porch feel more spacious and open? Even if you have a small porch, the right decor can make it feel more open and airy. One of the best tricks is using light-colored furniture and textiles, such as white or pastel cushions and curtains, to create a bright and breezy look. Another space-enhancing idea is placing a large mirror on one wall to reflect light and give the illusion of a bigger space. If you want to keep things minimal, choosing multi-purpose furniture like a storage bench that doubles as seating can help reduce clutter while keeping the space functional. Want more small porch decor hacks? Check the description for my best space-saving ideas. What are the best color schemes for a summer porch? Choosing the right color palette can completely change the feel of your porch. A classic summer look is coastal blues and whites, which create a breezy, beach-inspired vibe. If you love bold colors, coral, turquoise, and sunny yellow can add a fun and tropical energy to your space. For a more neutral and modern approach, earthy tones like beige, rattan, and sage green create a calming and natural look. Which summer color scheme is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. How can I decorate my porch for a summer party? If you love entertaining, decorating your porch for summer gatherings can make every get-together feel special. A simple yet effective idea is setting up a drink station with a stylish beverage dispenser filled with lemonade or iced tea. Another fun touch is placing colorful outdoor pillows and throws on your seating area for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To complete the look, adding a festive garland or tropical centerpiece to your table will make your party feel more themed and decorative. Planning a summer party? Subscribe for more outdoor entertaining tips and ideas. Your summer porch is the perfect place to relax, entertain, and soak up the sunshine. And with these 10 summer porch decoration ideas, you can create a space that's both stylish and inviting. Which idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite summer decor pics. Happy decorating!